Hey everyone, welcome back to Real Living, and welcome if you're new. In today's video, it's all about extreme cleaning of the kids' room mostly. I'm sorry I've been a little MIA this week. It's been pretty busy trying to get footage for this channel, as well as footage for the outside decorations for my other channel, Real Family Values. We've also had our daughter's birthday party this week. And then on top of all of that, my husband decided to get me a new stove that I've been asking for. So we ended up putting that in, and I've got footage of that at the end of the video, so stick around for that one. So needless to say, it's been pretty hectic this week, and I've been trying to keep up with it. I'm still new at all of this, so I'm going to promise to try to get a lot better at posting more often, more regularly, and getting all of it done on time. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and stop talking now and let y'all enjoy some extreme cleaning, and I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and comes to cleaning the kids' rooms, they are pretty much responsible for taking care of all of that on their own. They're supposed to pick up all their clothes and put them in the clothes basket and keep all the toys up and make their beds, but as children do, they don't always do that. So once in a while I do go in there and I will do a deep clean of their room. Probably about once a month gets a good deep clean, and then every few days or so I'll go in there and I will tidy up for them once in a while, but they're mostly responsible for taking care of all of that on their own. They're not supposed to have help. They're at the age where they can do it, and I'm trying to teach them to kind of be more independent and not depend on mommy so much. husband enough for this new oven and stove. I am so obsessed with it. I finally have my oven back. I liked my old stove. It never gave me any problems other than the oven on the wall, but I am just beyond grateful. So thank you, hubby, for getting this surprise for me.